Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix Instagram filter not working. First you need to open the Google Play Store on your phone and then go to the search bar on the top of the screen and here enter the Instagram. Then find the Instagram app and go to the page of Instagram and then click the uninstall and then click on the download this app, install again and wait for loading and then installing and then open the Instagram again and then you fixed this problem on your Instagram account and you can use the filter for your videos or stories and some other. This is all for today. Goodbye.